Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, sir, Duttyberry here, Reggae Sumfest 2022, and I'm here with a brother where this is your first time performing on the stage, right, Lalee?
Yeah, man, first time, man.
Lalee, what was the vibe like?
Man, you know, you get me up there going dirt and I pie it. I'm seeing the crowd that will come and just pie it. Yeah. I mean, so the vibe was different.
I don't even know if I say right now because I think you're just having an incredible couple of years, and one of the things they're like, you know, you have some people, when you see them start out with them first song, and you say, how the person you gonna manage to kind of steer the career? Like, where them can go from this? Cause from cornflakes and, you know, and you wonder, like, what was that pivotal moment? Cause I'm sure you're probably hearing people that say, yeah, man, this is gonna be a one-hit wonder. Where was that moment when something click and say, me gonna prove them wrong?
Just show people say I'm in a dance.
Yeah.
Music, you just put lyrics together and flow it together.
Yeah.
And make sure the words in where you put just different. So then people are thinking, what him just say? You get me? No, if you use a metaphor, your similes and all of them.
Yeah. Read and write.
Definitely.
You hear that? Pep brain. Definitely. This is not common entrance brain. Pep exam brain.
I gotta tell you, different kind of brain. You get me?
I know that you talk about that you absolutely enjoy performing. Like, clear, who are some of the persons who I guess you would have kind of study your craft, and tell me like what has been that journey like when you actually watch yourself on stage and then try to figure out how you can improve it.
I don't know much of Great Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Ninja Man, Spragga Benz, much all of the hell of them.
Yeah.
And we already know so people know the song. People want to see how you're going to deliver it. So the same way you do that music video and the same way you do that studio, you can't deliver it up on stage, so you have to add a different flavor to it. You get me? So if I can do it and go so. And get over this side, that's something different. Why not?
Yeah. No, you have been made especially popular because of this app called TikTok. Like, and not just one song, but the Dirt, and then you have Bang Bing. Like, you have anything up your sleeve in the coming months as it relates to how you're going to push music?
TikTok is a thing, you just be yourself, you can be goofy. And if you're born goofy, why not be goofy on the app?
This is where you have to show off personality because the fans them love to them something there.
I see TikTok have people where say them a bad man.
Yeah.
So I see them the pan, Rolex, memories, sit a bust down. You get me? So it's a different vibe.
What is the feeling when you see people like stars, superstars, I see Raven Simone and so many other celebrities like dancing to your own music? Because me I watch it and me feel proud and me feel like say I might own a song. So how you feeling to realize to the world?
Sometimes I can't even believe me. I say I can't do this from jungle. So enough time I never believe. You get me? But me I do it.
Yeah. So I want to also hear, come know saying the music sometimes you have like a controversy with stuff like, is there any lesson that you've learned as it relates to like working with people, especially like dancers and other people in the business?
You just have to be careful with your actions when you move them. You just think of what you could do before you make a stupid decision.
Flow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings, make sure you're in.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize, plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets, and smart TVs. Dial *129 number sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Flow, some summer. Plenty prize in a flow, some summer.
Conditions apply.
Get me?
Yeah. And so, my brother right here, so Tyreke can kind of run in quick and fast. Yes. So, more I forgot here right now, like, more if you just come tell me, right now, you actually feel like, say, Lalee is able to do the dirt better?
You know, say two of it still.
Because one time, you start off in the lead, you know. You start off in the lead, you know, Tyreke. And then, no, him start off in the lead, and all of a sudden, I say, wait, Lalee start to train. You start to practice.
I watch him, man. I watch him and Baby Dirt. So I have a thief to move from them. You get me? Definitely.
So moving forward, like would you like say a whole entire thing where you would be collaborating with new upcoming dancers?
Definitely, man. Definitely. And more I get Tyreke to a musician himself. So more
also going into the music.
Yeah, for sure.
Jesus Christ.
I have a new track and a new dance out called Whip Them.
So can you get a little preview?
Yes,
that okay if you get a little preview? Alright then, yeah. Alright, my name not gonna try because I'm tired right now. Alright, now this is it for my interview with the big bad future international BET, MTV, Oscar, because the brother can't act on all of these things. May I tell you, big up yourself in Lalee and Tyreke, sky is the limit and the music business is stress. Make Lalee tell you. Bless up.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.